Google Docs. We're continuing with the idea of Google Docs and continuing with the idea of giving feedback to your students with inserted comments in Google Docs, but changing things up. I've learned recently about an extension called CheckMark that you can see here where my mouse just got large. CheckMark, this extension, does all these things that it states here. And in short, what it does is gives a handful of common writing feedback tips and comments that teachers use, and it's done quickly, such as this. So I go to the text area that I know needs some support. I've selected it. And then I hover my mouse, and you can see this kind of translucent piece, this little translucent window that I can hover over. And as I do, it says details needed. As I hover over the F in it, check for fragment. As I hover over here, new paragraph needed, or in this case, check capitalization. I click that with a select, hover, click. That put this comment right over here, check capitalization. Eventually, with some practice, the fluency of the teacher could be built up to really quickly add into this. And in that case, it doesn't fit, so the comma splice. But in short, I've added this extension, CheckMark. Here's how I did it. I opened a new tab. I went to the Chrome web store that's here. It can be found at Chrome //apps. It can also be found right here when you click on this in our Tequila pages. Along with the idea, once in the web store, I search for CheckMark and I hit that, and up comes this, and I added this to my Chrome. And it's already been done for me. Over here, I made sure that it was running by clicking once on it, let a page load from a student, and from there, I select text that I know I need to give feedback on, and then I put in the information that's needed. All right, so you can see me how I've gone 1, 2, 3 comments without having to type. It was within 1, 2, 3 clicks that I was able to add those in, such as here, 1, hover, 2 clicks, and I've got this check for fragment idea. All right, so with that, the next idea that I've got for you on using Google Docs for feedback to your students with inserted comments was from the Chrome Web Store extension called CheckMark.